into yogosemia na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu beandirite chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobotengari butari no mubwekano. Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Kigimo mwancho muligereri bwe Nsoko TV cyabere cinsa isano na ibiro mu basobono nande chinga kichinde ngo kwaligania semesa ya maya elingo manyia yagendete gukorekana kurwa chinsemo ahuna basaki baito banyareko bagoikirana si chinsemo kiri ali yagendete gukorekana gutuikiriga litukomanyia asenchire wikirano bakogenda gutubwati asensemo yo mutandao uli Facebook na boigo YouTube eliyo nyareko ba okwemanyia ali yagendete asenchira eli yo wikirano eli Italiane Innocent Onyango. Igilito chaka norbotiru goichanya kurwa sekenyoreke mugekorukunga keranda imeyo muchyo Nyamira nigobana tokomanye gungo musacho yomo niganyareko ba kagotoka gasireti obugima bwaye umwaga kuyubwe myaka yigatwa Aselieta Eric nyacheo nigatoka gesungeti ase nyumba yaye mobero ya nigo rusiwe nakoirwa asenkendu ya Nyamira rifaro
tabamiri kigengentete in the process twacharende twanyora muragu gosiekire mungu narore kurema muinariocha baigura na twaswa nyumba na batwasangia ali bino urio tugametere kini magora itakunetise nete na beruete from the other room paka asengenterete na bemo ngentete emoetete bigotiga ande yambete goswaini na rie rinde twaswa kuresi alam to uniform mo assistant chief ogote ototebini process yale egere ale teneri ritu akialam abantu baswa gukura nabanyakenyoru na bakirega batete ko witness nande barorire nekene nigengentete guikiraiga turamanyanga okay e process turatebe nigengentete nande mangana ndete turatebe guchumura
mwaka gwekenyoro umutu ninche umuturete tatu ono atwanyora engentete asibete netire igoti apunto manyatinga naki yanyarekana nyugwete ngakanyarwarete igona bayirego
ne customer yane esege yare nyomba enkongu sana ebinto byokara bikorokia
ne karo kurigera nyomba gaiga nonya togoteba ng'omwana igengentete yo nareko ganinga tiga serikali yiche erigera nyomba aria there's a lot looks like there is commotion chigunie nchira chire bikoro tona binto binde serikali yakora investigation
ana ngoro crossing kwambuka morara mwana one engineer antiaye nalenge mwana naruru mwana mwabo okona gokema gotire na makumuburia cho linkyo gokemera anti mwana ominto bweitire ona kana na igugo na minyoka gocha twacha na mumuro mwabo na mukamu mumuro mwabo bali na sigete igoro banyora nengente
togotigana noroboti oruro goichani kurwa se county Nyamira mwanchu muligeri mugabana bwe county ya Homa Bay Muske Gladys Wanga na bajumbe bacholire gweterekia magiao DM imeye county ya Nairobi batebiro DM nigera chikoli yoko igwana na UDA eliko ira mabagare ngaine yoborai bwe serikali yo mwaka w'ikirubere 2022 boigo nigo basabira bamenye be county ya Nairobi kochoro abarai bare ase kiama GODM asebirogo au mwaka w'ikirubere 2022 nigo bayakwane taya asensemo ya Dandora aiga Nairobi tukoligoro.
Tangu baba hatujafika hapa kuwasalimia. Hivyo leo tumekuja kuwasalimia na kusema ya kwamba chama cha ODM kiko imara na ndio inatawala hapa Nairobi. Na hapa Nairobi MCA atakuwa ni ODM. MCA atakuwa ni nini? MP, Governor, Senator, Women Rep, tukiwa pamoja na President Dr. William Ruto, na sisi kama chama tumesema hivi, Dr. Oburu Oginga aingie katika mazungumzo na President William Ruto, wasikizane, ile ng'ombe ikatwe katikati, ODM ichukue nusu, UDA ichukue nusu. Nyinyi mmekubaliana na hiyo? Wale wamekubali nione kwa mkono. ODM tuko tayari, ODM tuko tayari. Linda ground. Sisi kama wanachungwa tutalinda ground yetu. Tutahakikisha ya kwamba ODM inabakia chama kikubwa zaidi. Hakuna siku hata moja tutasambaratisha chama cha ODM. Na chama cha ODM haina bei. Hakuna mtu anaweza kuuza ama kununua chama cha ODM. Kwa sababu chama cha ODM ni chama cha wananchi, ni chama chenu nyinyi.
Wancho muligereri no igwete funabara ya uba ODM bago kwana senkwana ya mayaso mu basobono na bago totebinga no igenete serikali yo mwaka bw'ikiri 2025 ibere n'ikikorosi gwasobo gatagati usasoko igwana hagati ya ODM na UDA bachikoba bakorengana ibirogo gose onde naru gukikoba gakoire binge tokogenda busigo ikese county ya Mombasa nigera chikoba nigachikoba okogoka gose gucengera gucia ase bamenye be county ya Mombasa namona aborokiwa bali bakogenda ase chiskuru cy'uburoso na kiri cie secondary ekera okoigwana kurabe kukobekwa igatie county ya Mombasa ni wizara y'ikisemi amo igone obisi mu balosi bwense ya Indonesia onyaba chikotwaro koigwana na korengana no mugabana bwe county ya Sharif Somad igatebira umurobero bwo kurwa endagera nigora chekoba abayiboli omoyeso ekera bagendete kurwana nekerengo kiguru gyo kurwa school fee.
If you are charging for students through their parents and you are charging them a feeding program, allow the county government of Mombasa to take over that feeding program. Then what you charge, which now the members of parliament can be able to subsidize, and even us as a county government can try and even subsidize further. Put that charge for the BAM teachers, put that charge for the little extra costs that are there. But the majority of the charge that is imposed on our parents, currently, as urban as we are, we have a challenge, and I don't know if the parents who are here, we have a challenge. Our back to school enrollment is actually not as pleasing as it should be. Watoto wako katika manyumba, hawaendi katika mashule. And I know the president ametoa amri, amesema kwa mtoto akiwa na fee ama hana fee aende shule. Asa mimi nimewaambia walimu tusiende njia hiyo. Nyinyi nipeni mimi majukumu ya kuwa ni mimi nita supply kama ni chakula ama mnataka ni supply maharagwe na wali ama mnataka ni supply nini, mimi I will do it. Nyinyi concentrate on your core business, and that is teaching the children of Mombasa. The core business of education should not be feeding.
Make sure you're not shy. Approach people, ask for advice. When you make mistakes, don't blame yourself. People stumble. When you stumble, it doesn't mean you remain down. You wake up, wajikukuta, waendelea na safari, sio? But the key thing, and I have experience of that, this is a secret that every young person has to carry. Discipline, consistency, and persistence. This will take you place.
Tokogenda gusio abarayibe kanisa yigia Adventista urusagia ro West Kenya basabira bateneri bobore ndime yense gosoana na eliokole ntoboto ereru ensemo ya Nkata Barakoi ase orobe rwe county ya Narok na Migori nigo bayakwanira ya sensemo ya Gitwebe ekero ya mate y'abantu gwetani kimisato basiririye obumenyo bwabo gwetero bosagani bwabankoiga.
We pray that the police should move with speed and arrest all the perpetrators of these heinous acts and provide security to all families living along the border. The national government and the county governments of Narok and Migori should step in and establish the true boundaries between the two communities. The elders from the two communities have lived together for decades.
Usiku ilikuwa kwa nyumba, wakaingia wakasingira nyumba yote. Wenye walisingira nyumba wakachoma. Ndio hii mimi nilikuwa kwa nyumba ingine pande hii ingine, wakakuja wakaingia tena kwa hiyo nyumba wakaanza kuikatakata. Walikuwa wanaigonga na miti, wanaigonga, wakigonga nikiwa kwa nyumba, wanaruhusa hata mishare, wanagonga mlango mpaka inatoka, tena narudi tena nafunga, tena wanagonga wanatoka, tena narudi nafunga. Sasa mimi nilikuwa naomba serikali inisaidie.
Nimechomewa nyumba, sasa hata watoto nitapeleka wapi? Sina sehemu ya kwenda.
So wito wangu ni kwamba serikali isiwe kwamba ina target Mkuria kwa kumwangamiza, ina target Mkuria kwa kumtesa. Iwe kwamba baada ya waya kuwekwa hapa, ibainishwe kwamba investor mwenye amechukua hayo mashamba yetu aweke security ya serikali yenye haina upaguzi. Kuna siku wamekuja wakaua wazee wawili kwa maboma nyumbani. Usiku wa kuamkia leo already wamekuja wamechoma boma. Kumaanisha kwamba hizi boma zenye siko Nyanza bado hasiko safe.
Kiombe kia basaebe kiama kia UDA rosagia rwa Karen basabira basai meyense kubwatera koboko mirobeli yugo sira basai meyense yachakiwa n'umurayi wense gwetera asekeganja kia nyota bega basai abo basabira abakenya kweli kibuna bakicikura bosio bocholi bu mwaka w'ikirubere 2022
na tumekusanyika kama vijana ili tupate kusemezana 1 2 3. Hivyo pia hatujasahau ya kwamba wengine wetu pia tuko UDA Comrades Chapter, ndio maana pia tuko na student leaders hapa pia wamekuja kusema kwamba UDA kazi ni kazi, na wamesema ya kwamba huu wakati hawawachi nyuma.
Tumeshukuru sana vijana, tuko pamoja, vijana tuna support serikali, and we are urging all the youth to participate in all the youth empowerment zenye government zinafanya. It is good vijana tukue pamoja na tufanye hizi vitu, tuache kuteta. The media is not where the things are happening. Kwa ground ndio vitu zinafanyika. Vijana tukuje kwa ground, tushikane, tufanye hizi empowerment, tuzichukue, we register na tukue pamoja.
The only way we are going to become assets to our leaders in the government is when we register as voters. The only way inclusivity is not going to be a mere norm is when we register as voters. It's high time that all these policies we're advocating for are implemented. And the only way the leaders are going to listen to us ni tukiregister kama voters. So young people, wherever kwenye uko, make sure that you're registered as a voter for 2027.
UDA, kazi ni kazi. Kazi ni kazi. Pesa mfukoni. Pesa mfukoni. Tulipe ushuru. Tulipe ushuru. Tujitegemee.
Abalimi kurwe county ya Migori bwango igamba chigwakanwa engelia yogo tuteremete bunenchere ya moyo kubasegeta gosimeke meta sobonge elyo kurenda ebintu bitwetanaine umurobeli oyo nigorachiye gosira abalimi gwetanikiri 10 na aya nigaene kiwe no county ya Homa Bay.
We have really planned. It's called Trico, Tree Company, that we are in Migori County. And the tree company, basically, many people are investing in what we call planting trees. But we think that people in Migori must be creative and go in what we call growing trees. The challenge for growing trees is that nobody takes care of those trees because there's no incentive for people to take care of the trees once they have been planted. So this initiative is the initiative that brings incentivized resources to be able to support farmers to take care of the tree until maturity. So basically, farmers are taking whichever amount of trees they can be able to grow in their small pieces of land. The desirable amount to be taken by any farmer is 365 trees, but we are making exceptions that some farmers can take even less, 50 to 100. You put it in your farm, then the partners that we have here through Trico pay the farmers here at least $1 if you may, or 10 shillings if you may, $1 every year or 10 shillings every month for the tree that has survived. So if your tree survives, you get paid for it. If your tree dies, you don't get paid. So that then it can be able to encourage people to grow trees. But most important above growing trees is that it enables those farmers to be able to have extra income to earn in their family, in their families. You can see if the average of an average of a farmer takes about 395 trees, it means that that farmer can earn up to 3,650 every month while just simply taking care of the tree. Targeting 10,000 farmers in Migori County in the course of the next 3 months. Already we have done 350 farmers in Nyatike, and today we have just launched 650 farmers in Suna West.
Nimeshukuru sana kwa sababu tumepewa miti, tunaenda kumpanda miti. Ukishapanda miti iko na njia mingi. Miti unaweza uza, unaweza peleka mtoto shuleni. Miti unaweza kata, unaweza jenga nayo. Miti unaweza pashwa, hata unaweza peleka kwa kampuni utengeneza vitu bidhaa kama
Mwanchu Muligeli na bono nigo togosoka kurwa se chimbebe chense ya Kenya na gwika sense ya Argentina asa Maliokia Matindi agendrete kusamburu sana rwa Patogania urugutoka sense ya Argentina ime yense ya Argentina na ande bagebe kaine nense ya Chile kera abantu 19 asirio bugima bwabo kubutekana no murero y'umutindi umurakera mbeo ekumsa egetindi nigegendete koba ekegocha ekense ya bekire chinde murero yure ekebebe. Mwanchu Muligeli chetre 15 maega ye chinsa isano na biraso mu basobono kwemanyiri ali agendete gukorekana ase chinsemo au muraibense nigara sensemo ya Kisumu asagendete guyakira campaign na namono gusiori murobelia onyota senseme yu ya basaye banyara kwa bakonyora chibesa na barukuru ase chi county chichibebe kaine county ya Kisumu na bayigona chiri chinde. Mwanchu Muligeli negati yali togendete kuligeli chwika chinsa 10 no bego kumanyirwa ekegendete kurwa asenseme yo baliki baitubuna nago tebi nigo bale ne chibuse kichiabo ase binyoro ime na isiko ya gusi elio nyara ko bago kumanya kiregento kyagendete chigo ikai 10 no nyara ko bago kumanya kurende na aroriro musaye gaiga ubugoretie ebuse kiyae na rago teba ngano yawe yago so akurunga toldi jenguru ku Innocent Onyango kwa niaba y'ikikosi kyose twabwaterana aso wikirania alia abira sumuga sobono ko inalimbuya mono na ndegendera kubwatie gitaseni gitu Kionsoko TV.